Okay student, so today we are going to start quadratic equations. Quadratic equation. So when quadratic polynomial means what student? Ax square plus bx plus c. This is what student? This is quadratic polynomial. Polynomials, linear polynomial, constant polynomial, quadratic polynomial. So this is what? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means what? The variable is x and which is having maximum degree is what? 2. If the maximum degree of the variable is what? 2, then it is called as quadratic polynomial. Okay student? And when quadratic polynomial is equated with 0, when quadratic polynomial is equated with 0, then it is called as quadratic equation. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Clear student? So here, what is a, b and c? A, b and c are what? A, b and c are what? Real numbers. What is it? Real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers and provided a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. What is provided? A is not equal to 0. Because when you put a is equal to 0, you will put a is equal to 0. So what you will get student? 0 into what? X square plus bx and plus c is equal to 0. This term becomes 0. 0 multiplied by x square is what? 0. So this term becomes 0. So you will get only bx plus c is equal to 0. What you will get student? Bx plus c is equal to 0. And this bx plus c is what? This is a linear equation. This is a linear equation in one variable. Because here highest degree of the variable, this is a variable, x is a variable. The highest degree of the variable is what here? 1. So for quadratic equation, the highest degree of the variable should be 2. But here is 1, therefore this becomes linear equation in one variable. Okay student? Therefore provided a is not equal to 0. So our quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and provided a is not equal to 0. Clear? Now we will start practicing. Okay? Clear? What will start? We will start practicing. So don't write. लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. You will get video. समझ में आ रहा है? So you will get. Don't write. Write any two quadratic equations. Write any two quadratic equations. Write any two quadratic equations. So what is the form of quadratic equation? You know very well. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. If you will write any equation of this form, then it will be a quadratic equation. Here, so just put the value of a, b and c. A, b and c will get the different quadratic equation. So first is what? Tell me. 1x square plus 2x. What is the value of c? 3. This is equal to 0. This is the one of the quadratic equation. Second, you may write 4m square plus 6m minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is another kind of quadratic equation. You may write more than that, 2p square plus 3p minus 6 and this is equal to 0. This is again the quadratic equation in variable p. This is the quadratic equation in variable m. This is a quadratic equation in variable x. Clear student? So you can write so many quadratic equations. Okay. Now next question is decide which of the. Next question is what student? Next question is decide which of the following are quadratic equation. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Decide which of the following are quadratic equation. Again I want to tell you, when you will say that the equation is a quadratic equation, if the equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then and then you will say that the given equation is a quadratic equation. Means for that the degree of the variable should be 2. The maximum degree of the variable should be 2. Then you will say that the given equation is a quadratic equation. I want to tell you, this is a 2x square is equal to 0. Okay, 2x square is equal to 0. Whether this is a quadratic equation? Yes, this is a quadratic equation because the highest degree of the variable is what? 2. Okay, next example, 2x square plus 2. Whether this equation is a quadratic equation? Yes, this equation is called a quadratic equation because the variable having highest degree is 2. Yes, if I will write like this, 2m square plus 6m minus 1 is equal to 0. Whether this equation is a quadratic equation? Yes, this is a quadratic equation because highest degree of the variable is 2. Okay, student. So, to decide whether the given equation is a quadratic equation, for that in your mind should be there, the highest degree of the variable should be 2 or maximum degree of the variable should be 2. Okay, student. So here, first x square plus 5x minus 2, this is equal to 0. So x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Whether this is a quadratic equation? Yes. The given equation is a, right? The given equation is a quadratic equation because the highest, or you will say maximum degree of the variable, what? Variable x is 2. The given equation is a quadratic equation because the highest or maximum degree of the variable x is 2. Therefore, this is a quadratic equation. Clear, student? Okay. Now next, one, that is second one. Second one is what? Y square is equal to 5y minus 10. So transfer this all term to left hand side. So you will get what? Y square, this will be minus 5y, minus 10 becomes plus 10, and this is equal to 0. So again student will say that this is a quadratic equation in variable y where highest degree of the variable is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Third one is y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Okay, student? Y square plus 1 by y is equal to 2. Right? So here we don't want y in the denominator. So if we don't want, so what we will do? We will multiply on both sides by y. So right here then, multiply on both sides by y. Multiply on both sides by y. So what we will get, student? Y into y square plus y into 1 upon y is equal to 2 into y. Now this y and this y cancel out. Y square into y cube plus 1 is equal to 2y. Shift 2y to left hand side, so you will get what, student? Therefore y cube plus 2y becomes minus 2y and then plus 1, and this is equal to 0. Okay, student? Now observe the expression. Now observe the expression. What you will get here, the variable y having maximum degree is 3. Therefore, we will say that the given equation is not a quadratic equation. The given equation is not a quadratic equation. Clear? Okay. The fourth one, x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2. Okay. Okay. So fourth one is what? X plus 1 by x is equal to minus 2. Again, remember, we don't want this x in the denominator. So what we will do? We will multiply. So multiply on both sides by x. So multiply on both sides by x. Multiply on both sides by x. So what we will explain then? X into x plus x into 1 by x is equal to minus 2 into x. So x into x square, this x cancel, plus 1 is equal to minus 2x. Now transfer this minus 2x to left hand side, so what you will get, student? X square minus 2x becomes plus 2x, and this plus 1, and this is equal to 0. So student, again this is a what? Quadratic equation, because highest degree of the variable x is 2. So therefore the given equation is a quadratic equation. Clear? आ रही बात समझ में? कमाल का सम है ना? मजा आ रहा है क्या? नहीं आ रहा. अगला क्वेश्चन है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? फिफ्थ वन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज व्हाट? m plus 2 m minus 5 is equal to 0. क्लियर? अब यहाँ पे दो ब्रैकेट दिया हुआ है. दिस ब्रैकेट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू ब्रैकेट इज इक्वल टू 0. मतलब ये दोनों ब्रैकेट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या है? 0. इसका मतलब क्या हो सकता है? आइदर दिस ब्रैकेट इज इक्वल टू 0 और दिस ब्रैकेट इक्वल टू 0. क्लियर? If the product of two bracket is equal to 0, it means that either this bracket is equal to 0 or this bracket equal to 0. One more thing, if I will write x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, this is equal to 0. Student, product of these all three brackets is equal to 0. We don't know actually which bracket is equal to 0. तीनों ब्रैकेट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या आ रहा? 0 आ रहा है. लेकिन ये कहना बहुत मुश्किल है, डिफिकल्ट है कि कौन सा ब्रैकेट 0 है, क्योंकि अगर ये 0 होगा तो भी सब 0 हो जाएंगे. समझ में आ रही कहानी? मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ दिस थ्री ब्रैकेट्स इज इक्वल टू 0. ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है बताना. क्या बताना डिफिकल्ट है? कि कौन सा ब्रैकेट 0 है. इसलिए हम क्या राइट करते हैं? आइदर दिस ब्रैकेट इज इक्वल टू 0 और दिस ब्रैकेट इज इक्वल टू 0 और दिस ब्रैकेट इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ स्टूडेंट, हियर in question number 5, product of these two bracket is equal to 0. So what you will do first? You will expand bracket multiplication. Okay, so how will multiply this? Because directly आप देख के इसको नहीं बता सकते whether it is a quadratic equation or not, so you have to solve. So what you will do? You will take this plus m and multiply this bracket m minus 5, and then you will take what? Plus 2. You will multiply this m minus 5, and this is equal to 0. So multiply m into m square minus m into 5, 5m plus 2 into m, 2m minus 2 5 is 10, and this is equal to 0. Therefore m square, this is the what, student? Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 is what? Minus 3. So minus 3m and minus 10, this is equal to 0. Now student, when you will observe this expression now, so this is what? Quadratic equation in variable m, of variable m, and highest degree of the variable is 2. Therefore the given equation is a what? Quadratic equation. Clear? Now next, that is sixth one. Sixth one. What is sixth one, student? Sixth one is m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 3m cube. Clear? Again we have to solve. So transfer this value to left hand side. So we will get m cube, then minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2, and this is equal to 0. Now this is what? 1m cube minus 3m cube, plus 1 minus 3. So this will be what? Minus 2 plus 1m cube minus 3m cube. And plus 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. So what you write? Minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now highest degree of the variable m is what? Here highest degree of the variable, highest degree of the variable m is 3. Okay, student. Therefore, the given equation is not the quadratic equation. Okay, student. So minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. Here the highest degree of the variable m is what? 3. And then we'll say that the given equation is not the quadratic equation. Okay, friend? So in next video we will study next question. Thank you.